Hello my people, I greet the full house. Also now dey fine, now do well, so now take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well. My brothers and sisters, Abba don call that Ohe Okoromina wey dey about that land, that woman wey cry come Martina yesterday. We talk say dem don fence her land. When I remember, I'll still put the video now, see the video. Mona for know the woman where they talk about. So Abba don call this Ohe, ask am how the man no reach about this land of 18. So the man talk and go this side, talk and go the other side. Abba see ask am say whether the woman don come see the Ohe, tell her about the land, see wetin dey happen. So the Ohe say he never talk to the woman, so say not be him na him put fence for the land. So there's as we dey hear am now, the rumor dey go on now say one man don do video out. I'll still find the video. If I see, I'll still share am. Say na him get that land, and not be only that woman. Oh, dem surround they put the fence. Many houses there for inside, as we take see that woman, or where the woman wey dey talk yesterday. So my people, now know say all this thing of land of 18, once e don reach like this, you just dey pray make you for see your land again, because all this na so the other community na sell am for you, not be our community sell am for you. Because the woman don explain to us when she dey do that video, say when she buy that land, she buy am for the other community, which I no remember the name now. Say the other community wey dem come get misunderstanding, na dem come say no be that community get am again, say na this Oheo na get the community, that is Ohe Oromina na get the land. So when dem come tell am say okay, make you come change the document, say 50 by 50, you don lost am. You understand? So the woman no worry, he accept. But now when they come say another person come put fence for the land, now everywhere my people, something just come about money and land. Now so e dey be for our country, now so e dey be for that Benin. They will come, they turn am upside down. I pray make that woman may get justice, because now somebody now give money, even though say no be the other community give money. Mona give her money back. The best thing, una no wan give her money, una no wan give her land, something now na go do. Because now that one I expect anyway. Abba say they look for the woman phone number. Anybody will get the woman phone number, may give her to Abba, because Abba want to talk to the woman. May we foresee the end of this thing, because not be the first time we dey hear about this Ohe or Oromina, something like that. One woman will pay 5.5 million for land, where the woman come dey cry for them, say see the money wey pay. Not be the first time. This one and the second one for this year. So where the Ohe come dey bend and say not be so, na so it be. Maybe na people, because anything wey come from the people, na they do am. Na so it be. Anything where your people they do, now you they do am, because now you don't take the shout they go. It's like when Governor Obaseki, when the people they do something, now Obaseki they take the shout. Now so it be. I just pray make the woman may come out, may come tell us how the thing take happen, because she don't talk small, say 50 by 50, they don't collect her. The rest, they want to collect her again. So whether na the man put first, or whether na another person put first, but na person na collect the money. Now money na she take build that house, courage as it be so. And make everything not just lose like that. May I put up that video? More na here for the Ohe of Oromina. On a Bible, more na me share.
Hello, Domo, am I speaking with the Ohe of Okoromi community? Domo, sir, what talk by Domo, sir. Anyway, I'm more than anybody that is the real head of any community. He must be run, no matter where the real here. Domo, sir. Since yesterday, a pigeon Maya time there, everyone read do or head do, but kedo kickbo kiyoba, here have Okoromina nekeno de ade, so a pigeon Maya low. So waiting. I want to ask you now is there is an accusation on social media that you sold a teacher's land, one woman will be teacher. She said she buy the land. Make I just ask you this question, may you respond, because people are watching all over the world. She said she buy the land. Hello?
From Tipa. Yes, you said buy the land, yes.
She said she buy the land from Egbiri. Say by the time una win the judgment, say palace and the court say not be Egbiri now and get the land. She now went to meet with the Ojonwere. Ojonwere now said she should retain 50 by 100 and give 50 by 100 to the community, which she agreed.
Yeah.
That now you went to fence her land, that you said the house and the land belongs to you. We want to know why. Why will you fence somebody's land, sir?
First and foremost, thank you for calling me. And also, let me just come to Brookie now.
Go to Brookie, sir. You broke it, Bele.
I thank everybody who listen to this call. You know, say, waiting person don't know. Waiting person not to know the keep the person.
Okay.
And fear conscience, fear no accusation.
Yes.
And waiting, I wanted to talk about, though I see the video, and I see the woman, the way she declared there, say I sell the land, and I want to use this medium to tell you, say I not sell anybody land. And I repeat again, I not sell anybody land. You understand me? So
yes.
So if the woman feel say person fencing land, if not truly say now our community give her paper,
yes.
The community get her to able join her fight the cost of anybody when you encroach the land.
Yes.
You don't understand me? So so not be maybe the person when you fence the land.
Okay.
You don't understand me? So I know how many people, both the Benin people when they home and abroad, when if you say now so it happen for everywhere that they sell people land for Ogoromi. Ogoromi is a very peaceful place. Now make if it develop reach where develop reach so. So we know they sell people land for Ogoromi. Neither me myself or neither me or my community people sell anybody land. I feel say now my enemy people. Now they at work. Now the same people when said the same land when they not get for this woman. Now the same people now see they instigate this woman to go social media to go square my name. So when you use this opportunity to tell the public, say, I not sell this woman land. If you make the woman come the place, make it bring police come, may say anybody when you see for a land, may arrest her. You don't understand me? So that's why I see and reach my brother. And since when I started to hear the matter since yesterday, I know if it was here they happy. Because of the way some people say they call me for the issue. You said, who they ask people now not to talk about that woman, that poor woman for 50 by 100. But nothing for this life, when person use a bed do, when not the good, but when the person use peace do, when not the good. And according to the information now, how does he gather this money on this issue? Because since yesterday, I call my community, call Ojon Were, call everybody. Committee is there where we set up to look into those people when fall the victims, when go mistakenly buy land from every people hand. Ojon Were is one of the committee person.
Okay.
They listen to me, so
yes.
Ojon Were is one of the committee, and some elderly men see join that committee. Now let me want the traditional head. Now I know take the place because two are not see they are they very busy too. So now then they receive people when come discuss about land. This one get land. And this morning now we dey hear say person when actually face that land. Just for Ogoromi, you dey listen to me?
Yes.
You dey listen to me?
Would they listen to you?
So this person they actually go to Ojon Were this morning. To go meet Ojon Were, he has to even describe himself to my Ojon Were say, whether my Ojon Were no remember, my Ojon Were say he remember land. And it can't happen to say that same land where that woman they talk so. Them the committee and the Ojon Were they settle one land for two persons. Now everybody they sell one land for two persons. Now two persons now where everybody people sell land for. Now they drag one land. So I want you to speak to tell them and say, man, I don't get any issue with the woman. But make him beg, make him put me down. I don't get the time where I take sell the land. You know understand me? So if you see me there for a land, no gonna do not make you go police station, make you go arrest me.
Okay. I want to ask you this question. You don't already clear and say you not sell the land. You say you not sell the land. You say there is a committee set up after una win that judgment to look into the matter of people wey follow Egbe rebuy. So that some feel rebuy, the ones who don't feel rebuy, una go collect them. Are you saying hello? Hello? Network is terrible here. A blind network cut
So
out.
on our network just now.
Okay, so the question one I want to ask now, because you say you know it not be you, there is a committee set up by your community to look into all this matter. Now, are you saying because we see the video of one old man wey go there today say na him get the land, na him fence am, say he not fair even where when he with the children consider they don't build house for the place. Now, una sell for the land for the old man. I mean, na Egbe sell for the two of them.
Now Egbe dey sell for the two of them, and we get series of cases like that more than 10. When we say one person, I want make una not be the one who dey talk. I want make una call the community. Una will see the particular land. Make una even write something put say anybody wey go enter this una wan see am. Make una for dey know the truth to inside this matter. You don't understand me so? Now Egbe na sell for their two. You know what they do that time now when they will say they don't change government, not be you take power again. So every other thing when the former chairman do, the new government will enter, then you go start to resell the land again. So now every way the people do that time, when it go affect these two people, so you don't understand me so?
Yes.
So now be the matter.
So you are saying, because I don't want to keep you. I don't say a lot of people they call you and you get a lot to do with your time. No, you dey talk now. Say you don't. That woman don't fair come meet you for your palace about this land. Say that she get land. Make you abeg leave the land.
No, this woman, like we believe people they say no matter how many times you go snake farm, provided say you see snake carry come house.
Yes.
And then if you not their house, you come my house. You don't see me. You visit see me for house now. I don't want to settle the matter for you because I know they go bush. I need to call the people when. Make sure say now truth the person they talk.
Yes.
Before I will get any assistance where they do for people like that. Okay. You understand me so?
Okay.
Same person.
The weather here is very bad. I'm sure it's his connection. Network. So I don't know if we can still get to her. The Ohe Okoromi already talk in your own side of the story. Maybe we still try again one more time. Now network, Abi. More you could round up in the next 3 minutes. So just tell her, continue.
So I said one person of you just come meet me. The only me one will just say I free the land for you. without consulting elders of the community, say make they look into this person matter.
Yes.
So now the least where they do be that.
Okay.
The person come cry, come say he get problem. The community will join hands together, solve the problem. You don't understand me, so?
Okay, now on this very issue, because this woman don't already cry, come out. Even if she says today they look for the woman number, I don't see. Most of the people when they call me, I don't know, they say, if you not get this woman number, may you give me, I beg, if you say she get the woman number, maybe she don't call you, or you get anybody will get the number. Me, I need the woman number. So I will still talk to the woman like this. As it don't be like this, it is very clear that that woman not to get. And the man when do video today talk say, now 4 plots, I be 1 by 2. Now he get. I will say the first, not only the woman house, the first many other houses ran for that place. Now I want to ask you, with the influence what you get for the community, and the people where you don't, like you talk, say you don't really help people, they give people land for not be today. You will feel use your office. Help us prevail on the old man. If not, the old man really get time to allow, because the teacher don't already agree to collect 50, since not be Egbiri will say for her get the land. Will you please use your office, no matter what it don't happen? Your name don't fly where you know say sometimes you know as community matter be. So you don't go blame people when they spoil your name. You don't go blame people when they spread the story, because if your people don't, if your community don't sell that your people land, other community they do one. If you don't sell people land, your boys feel they sell people land, or they will feel they sell people land. So now only yourself, you will really exonerate, say you know they do one. Other people they do one. So some people when they spread this message, so they don't sell their land. Now last 2 weeks, 1 by 2 when I buy 2012. Now somebody be go try to go put fence 2012. Now I buy them. So all of us are victim of this community thing. But me not agree.
For all communities.
Me not agree. Me everybody can say, he must die. He must go to jail. He must do something. Me not agree for that one. Me not agree, because nobody is entirely useless. Nobody is entirely bad. So me want beg you now, I go want me you use your office. Call this woman. Because it is clear that woman not get. Now she struggle, build her house, shop. She can't see somebody confess her. That is frustration. That will even lead to suicide. You have to use your office, prevail on the man, make it allow the woman finish her 50 by 100.
If you want to do that kind of thing now, my brother.
Yes.
I will want the devil want to do this kind of thing. It will do a live video.
Okay.
Live program.
Wow.
The woman will tell my partner, the other man go there. Now my elders people they will there. Then we will table the matter.
Okay.
Then nobody for this life when they beg something we not agree.
Yes.
You know understand me?
Yes.
And like what you will talk, goodness not the finish your work God day.
Yes.
You don't understand me, so I've been listening to what most people know me for be that. You understand? So what I want to tell you with this is, they will not tell the woman or anybody when he's young, we don't see to press announcement since.
Okay.
I don't see to, because this one I be want let the woman and the man may they go to fight themselves.
Oh, okay.
Because no, you don't understand me, so that may they go to fight themselves. We not sell for you. Not we sell them originally. Now I put on a follow back. So if the community take decision, anybody will know adopt to the community decision. You go to her, you go to anything you want to. You know understand me, so for the help when you say whether we feel help the woman, that one a good thing. To help person a good thing.
Okay.
You know understand me, so. But not only for the woman to just condemn my name, follow social media, follow everywhere. For Benin, people when they sell land, when they don't get, when you don't talk against those people are supposed to get one better penalty. We are supposed to give them communities where we go to encroach on other communities' land. They sell land when not be their own. We are supposed to give them big punishment because land when we sell, say that we really sell for you. We don't get issue with them. Apart from where issue the pass come, now the one we win for balance so. and the one who win for court. Now that they follow us, they do problem for. But when we serve by ourselves, say that we serve for you, we don't get problem for inside. If the problem will come, we'll settle amicably. So now only this one we believe they don't go buy thief property. You know, say again one parable when they talk, say, person when be thief, when go thief something, he sell and give person. Now the same law when you hold that person with thief on. Now you see all
person way back.
You know the same so. Now the same law hold them. So we don't want people to see us as bad people. May they see they receive from, may they put themselves for their shoe. Say that they be the economy. They fight for this same land. Then winner for palace. Then winner for court. They're not going to take possession of her. My brother, you be like when you build your house put now, one person will go carry you go court. They go destroy your property, build your own put, then you will win that person for court. You don't care that to go possess your own property.
Yes,
You don't care that to possess her. So I beg anybody when you want here, make it come with a good heart. I don't wear I bet you here.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
I don't wear bet you here. If you be saying another woman, they beg me, or beg community not come pardon the woman, people will say, what did happen? But not be saying you're going to come in the form of fight or quarrel. You know, understand me so?
Okay.
So I want quickly, and the history there, another one I want to add, Jenna, because I have two people post. One man, one former Onsa.
Okay. Okay.
That one now, see post the video. I come for this community, they will give you 1 by 2. I dash you the land, I dash her. No be say bad. Now I dash her the land. The man went ahead, he go enclose on another person's land. He said, I want to set 30 feet for her. Now I say, but this one I let down. How can me, or I dash you 1 by 2? You go to buy 30 feet for another person's hand. That one I get lot to say. You understand? So now even go to put that for social media now and say, Okoromi people, those scatter in foundation, Okoromi people, those scatter in fence. I go want make una come, make una ask for us, make it bring the paper come community, make it come show una the land, make una draw tape put. If not be 100 by 200, when community say we dash you. If 1 feet come up for inside, make una go to talk with una want to talk.
Okay, now that also now me know I know that the woman own I concern me because the way the video they touch us. So you are saying that also say now 1 by 2 una give them, una not give them 1 by 130, 130, 1 by 230.
No, make bring the approval. No, you don't give anything like that. Now 100 by 200. Now we that shall not be said bad. You don't understand me? So now they come and close on that person where you get 50 by 100. They cut down one land. You not be from our community, not be you know where road they. Now the community make road, follow all those roads. Now the community will tell you, say, here na road, now here your land reach. Your land complete, the one way we give you. You go to track 2 feet, they track 3 feet. Now so you buy it from this one. And one more consider matter, no kuna see talk.
So what do they talk now? They say, if I feel reach the woman, the teacher, say the day where we want talk the matter, the other a panel then you they say we go live, make we judge the matter, make everybody hear.
Yes.
Okay, no wala. I really appreciate you for the time because when I try to fair call you, why I not even fair call you before, I feel say you not go talk to us. They say you not be media person, but now digital world that we get now. May you try, even if say you know they do social media, try to see what they go on. Not be everything that they ignore. Not be everything say again and tell about. No, there are sometimes you come out to talk your own side of the story because as people hear from you now, people don't get another like me now. I don't know. Me feel say you come on like I say yes. Now me but you are saying that way good day. So please do come Android. Once in a while, who will like sitting at Java game no sunu, who will because Okoromi on Nonania. All will lie. Last 2 months, last 3 months, Joshua and the boy. Joshua versus one. So all Joshua always I may read the next one. But please, one last one here no is okay pa. When one win a case in Anna or Egbiri. Evani Buro ni ye go through him no wanna go through man commitment to one yato. Now, how many now approach what? Are they rebuying completely or to worry half of the land?
Okay, go enter my way now. A rest or not there will be Ekbiri. Some people that bought land from Ekbiri people. Are you listening to me? So the join Ekbiri carry us go God. Will I say 60%? Of those people that bought land, people will sell land for you, they don't get land. You see, follow those same people, go court, say you want to defeat Okoromi. My brother, if not you, wait till you go do those kind of people.
I'll pursue them.
Hey, thank God. Say you know.
I'll pursue
them.
So
he said they will see the talk, so. You know, so you say you'll pursue them.
I'll pursue them now. You join my enemy, fight me, and I can't win. What do you do? I know, keep you around now. Yes, that's the truth.
I said, matters when they be take carry us, because individual for Ekbiri. People went bad. Both people went bad. Though they listen to this program. Now, more than 50 people went carry me go court. Join Ekbiri. With them. But you don't say law not know mama, you don't know your papa. So law now take its place for that one. And we see they use, we know they use that one since they look everybody. So people actually don't know. Say no be those people get her.
Okay.
But what if they pay no swear for inside? They're supposed to swear for person when say waiting up when like you know what I don't say I don't get. I don't go sell her for you. Because tomorrow, if you backfire, now me now you will come home.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So they don't need to say what they don't get. Okay. So all these same people, so if they want more, they see they get pity for men for them. May they see they condemn the heart of every people for selling land to two people, one, for people selling land that does not belong to them. You know understand me? So
no, Wala. USA, I think you have said enough today. The fact that you have established today is that all working about the woman had are dealing with Ojewe. So, but you have the capacity to resolve the matter. My interest is for the woman to complete her house. All 50 pounds, 100 pounds, do not complete her. That is my interest, and I will. Okay. And I will still continue to engage you. In favor of the woman. Okay.
Today the woman will come to community. I want everybody to follow that woman to the community so that everybody will see the truth.
Okay.
Do you understand? There is no eating agenda.
Okay, no problem. USA. Yes, my people, we just heard from the Ohe of Okoromi community. For me, Abatobaze, I've never been given free land by any community chairman, community of Kagele or Ohe or Dionwe or Enogi. Any community I have land, it there. I'm actually free land made there. Even know, so that when you collect my land, I will not say yes. I might say you collect, and I will collect them back. No community chairman, anybody know to ever get 50,000 baht, get 1 million and not defend the man. I don't do things for money. But sometimes it is always important that we speak the truth. Oh, when I hear that, or if you don't do one or two things. But Omaka Zibane, Omaka Zibane we do. But so we don't know. Do you wait? You want. But so having the tolo women they don't make it like gas. From the way he don't talk to us today, it's not like he's the one that sold to the new man. He's even saying the woman should come and the man should come. Let us do a live video. Let's do a live video. Make everybody watch all over the world. Near Sayegbonu, Mohienwea, Meowea. And another point is this. There is something I know. If you are calling me, you are wasting your time because I will not pick your call. I'm sorry. Hello? Ado Alpha. Mary Laffy. Mary Laffy, I'll call you back. I only pick call. Only my brother I'll call if he pick a Boston. And he call me. I need to pick a call when an emergency. So if you are calling from Europe anywhere, I know the pick call. My own is to give room for Ohe. And I am still looking for the woman's number. Madam, you do video, we will not see your face. You don't put fire everywhere. Come out and talk. Come and talk to us. Talk to Manaratan. Talk to ITV. Go to NUJ. We want to hear from you. I don't want to here. I posted the story yesterday. Say Ohen is not above the law. People don't call it about. You know they investigate. What kind of media this thing? Your platform not too big for you to carry one-sided story. And it's the truth. I'm not like all those small ranters. Ohen must go to jail. Ohen must go to jail. I cannot use my platform to take one-sided story. So I have to like, okay, if you don't give me get Ohen number, I'm gonna call, give me Ohen number, make a call her. I sent the test. He returned my test. I call. I said, okay, I will be live by 2. Now explain to me, because me not really get what I want to do for you. So I come and explain to your people, to the people all over the world. They deserve your explanation. And I wait till you do so. So if the woman not come out, that means this woman is lying. Definitely. If there are areas where we say boundary disputes there, court can say now this again, and there must be crisis. Now the side where winner will come get problem. Because the side where winner will want to retrieve their land, people don't already develop the land, they will not see that community as the bad community. Whereas the other side don't sell. Don't take their land since sell. Are you aware that there is a boundary dispute between Edo and Delta? Are you aware that there is a boundary dispute between Edo and Delta? If they can't see our land now to Delta, there will be crisis. There will be serious crisis. And the way if you don't carry if you Delta, Delta will say you are not from here, leave our land. Or they can say Edo and get the land. There will be crisis because Delta people will say it's our land. Sometimes we can't lead to fight, community boundary fight. So, if you another community now, when they follow Amagbale drag land, I be they say Amagbale drag their land. I don't know. Now, that particular community, if they are selling